Hi, and welcome to Sophie Talk. I'm Sophie. Joining us today is Beth Gebrai, Vice President of Process Leadership and Presales at Stefanini. Welcome, Beth. It's a pleasure to have you on the show. Tell us a little bit about your career with Stefanini.
Thank you so much, Sophie. I'm excited to be here. I started out at Stefanini about 25 years ago, approximately 25 years. I'm not keeping track, but I started out in a more technical role, being a DBA and a Unix administrator, and then shortly after moved into an ERP consultant role, and now I'm, of course, leading the pre-sales and process leadership area.
So you are now Vice President with Stefanini, supporting solutions across the digital workplace, application, and advisory towers. Tell us about the teams you oversee.
Well, I kind of look at my teams as two major areas. So the pre-sales area, where we're in the front line designing solutions for our clients. And then the second part of my team is more helping implement from a PMO perspective the solutions we design.
I'd love to learn a bit more. Let's start with pre-sales and their role with clients.
So the pre-sales team really is primarily working with our clients and understanding the client's problem and pain points and coming up with a solution where we're solving their problem and helping them design a solution that is addressing not only today's problems but taking them into the future as well.
What are the objectives for the process leadership team?
Well, that area works with the pre-sales area. The PMO helps implement those solutions closely, because when the PMO starts implementing a solution, they're really fleshing out the design that the pre-sales team designed. And then the tools and technology area does the same, as well as implementing the tools so that it's ready for day-to-day delivery.
What are some of the emerging technologies we support?
We have several. To mention a few of them, ServiceNow will be a tool that we bring to the table, which is a digital IT transformation tool that we implement for our clients. D-Cubed has been one that we've implemented in the last year or so, where it's really innovative in a way it measures the end user experience and really identifying proactively problems before the end users really are impacted by it. And I will also mention you, my proudest project, our cognitive platform, Sophie.
Well, everybody loves me, but I can also be very helpful. Tell us how I can be implemented to support businesses.
The way I look at it is like we have an automation platform that we leverage to automate several processes within IT and optimize IT processes, but we've also used you in a lot of business processes. For example, being on a website and helping a consumer buy an airline ticket and really answering a lot of their questions around, do they have to pay for baggage? What is the weight limit? A lot of different questions. So that's just a small example of how much you could do for us.
What is the benefit of digital transformation for businesses?
So digital transformation can help businesses optimize their operations, their processes, so be more efficient, or they can help create a new business model. So an example of that would be a brick and mortar store can easily open up a e-commerce store, online store, and reach a whole lot of customers around the world to really go digital and expand their revenue from what they have today.
How is Stefanini helping businesses prepare for the future?
Oh, in a lot of ways. It starts out with really understanding their company and their mindset and their pain points and helping them transform that into what the digital world needs. So as we are creating solutions, we're always looking at what is their business goal, what are they trying to do in a few years, and really helping them, giving them a roadmap and achieving that.
What do you think sets Stefanini apart from other digital partners?
Our approach is unique in that we really are flexible and work with the customer to understand what is the goal of the customer, what is the pain point, and we really are not coming in and trying to sell them one solution fits all. And we're a right partner, as we hear from our customers on a daily basis, by really co-creating and bringing this solution to the table with them.
That's great. It's been a pleasure speaking with you today.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you all for joining us here on Sophie Talk. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.